ございます。スティーブ的視点のスティーブです。久しぶりにダットさんの帽子を、出して、被ってきました。そして新商品の POV&Co の商品を stevepov.jp をチェックしてね。今日はダットさんデーですよね。だからこそこの帽子を被るべきなんだけれども、今から初めてオクラホマ州、今住んでるところのテキサス州のちょっと上に、これから1時間半ぐらいの道なんですけど、オクラホマ州に向かいます。それはなぜかというと、ロバートさん覚えてます？ロバートさんはZ 好きな、彼は業者さんなんで、240Z ギルドという会社をやってるんだけど、彼はエンジン見つけてくれたんだよね。L28のエンジンを見つけて取りに行きます。でもまずはバッキーズというスタンドに来たんで、バッキーズはこの辺の一番安いガソリンと言われてます。これ日本と比べるとまだ安いの分かってます。アメリカの中でもテキサスはまだ安い方だと思ってますが、それでも倍以上になってしまったこの1年で、ガソリンは大変ですよね。大変です。燃料大食いラプターはやっぱり燃料食うんで、ディーゼルは$3 18セント、レギュラー87オクテンは$3 6セント、$3 30、うわースーパー。こうやっぱりラプターにはいいガソリン入れたいので$3 60、56セントですよね。これはバッキーズのロゴなんで、結局$92 80セント、26ガロンで、うわー高いけどね。ところでアメリカの日本より1時間のなんていうの、時給っていうんですか、バッキーズの方では普通の営業っていうか、普通の店内のことはもう$19まで1時間って、課長とかそのクラスになると$32 1時間もらえるもんね。朝から大忙しいバッキーズ、すんげえ車、人も平日の朝ですよ。このお店が面白い、本当に面白いよ。機会があればぜひ一度来てください。面白いお店です。バッキーズです。トイレさえが超有名だという、世界で有名です。ところでロバートに忘れないようにプレゼント持ってきたんです。ロバートに気に入ってもらえるのかな。キーチェーンです。これ限定品なんで Z 好きだから気に入ってもらえるのかな。そしてもちろんロバートの車に一番気に入りの車にもサムズアップステッカーがいいな。これは stevepov.jp にあります。テキサスもそうなんだけれども、オクラホマ州は竜巻が多いですね。竜巻を発生することが多いので、おそらくこういうごついアンテナは竜巻警報システムのものなのかなとたまに見かけますね。もう着きますね。ロバートさんのところはここなのかな。いた間違いないでしょう。ほら出た、サファリの 240Z かっけえ。うわー Z の多いところ、ボートもある。 Z だらけだよね。 240Z と 280Z と気に入りのトラック、なんかワイドボディにしようとしているらしいんで、510のワイドボディキットをこれになんかつけるような話もしてます。エンジンもなんかこれに変えるらしいな。わーかっこいいボートだな。ここ Z だらけ、こんなにあるんだ Z が。 ロバートはどの辺にいるのかな Robert! Yo! Hey! What's up, man? What a shop! How are you? Nice to see you, man. Thanks for having me up, man.
Yeah, like I said, anytime.
Medill?
Medill.
Okay, I'm gonna keep saying Medill. I'm sure it's unreal what you got going on here, man. I haven't turned. I'm gonna turn around the camera in a second, kind of walk people through this.
Yep.
Is this a showroom? Is it fair to say?
Showroom / holding area.
Unreal, man. 240Z Guild. You've been in business for how long?
With the Z cars, about 5 years.
5 years. And up here, I mean, are you the only guy kind of in that game up right in this area immediately?
Pretty well the only one doing what we're doing as far as selling refreshed cars.
You are buying old cars, you're restoring them, and you are selling finished, complete, restored cars.
Yeah.
And I'm gonna take a quick walk around the showroom, but you got a couple of really, really special cars in here too, don't you?
Rare ones, yeah.
Let's take a look. Let's see if you guys can identify what's rare in here. Let's take a little walk around. Robert, your showroom is incredible. Well, your holding room, showroom, whatever you want to call it. You just have an incredible selection of cars here, man. Well, it's fantastic what you have in here. A couple of the cars, certainly, even my limited knowledge popped up on my radar here, and I've got to have you give me a little bit more information on a couple of these cars. Number one, this thing right here. I did notice, and you kind of tipped me off about it to look at the VIN number.
Right.
We are looking at one of the earliest production.
It's VIN number 20.
Number 20.
Yes.
VIN number 20.
Yeah.
How rare is this? This is a 69 then?
69 production date car.
69 production
This
date
one's
car.
actually titled as 69, which
It
is
is.
very rare for them to be titled as 69.
This was a magazine car, Road and Track magazine. Is this the actual car that was in that
This is supposed
magazine?
to be the actual car from the January 70 Road and Track Review.
There's a couple other cars in here that caught my attention. I want to start with this thing right here because I didn't know much about this car until you kind of pointed out to me. This is called, here, why don't you stand here? We'll talk. There you go. This yellow car is called what? A Zap? Z-A-P.
Z-A-P.
Explain this to me.
It's just basically a cosmetic package that they offered to try to, get more interest in the cars back then. Then they had another one that was called the Black Pearl. That was the first official black painted factory option Z.
Can I tell you something I love about Z's that this car does not have? You're going to guess.
Uh-oh, don't say they override.
Yep.
Yeah, those override.
Robert, I got to tell you something. One of the coolest things, in my opinion, other than little bumperettes, of course, which are cute as can be, are these things right here. What are these called?
Bumper overriders.
Bumper overriders.
They were done by Acme and a dealer option back in the day to pad the invoices.
To pad the invoice? That was it, huh?
Yeah. So it wasn't a Nissan thing. It wasn't anything. It's strictly an American dealer thing.
Now, tell me about that.
I don't think anybody really knows how many are left, but it's basically one of 16 built Bob Sharp GT33 cars.
Bob Sharp. And Bob Sharp in the world of Datsuns and Nissans would be like the Yanko of the Camaro world, or
he's
the
famous for racing and with the program for Datsun. But he had a little dealership in Georgia, and marketing his name, and here it is. So,
how much more did somebody pay to get Bob's name onto their car?
I believe they're a little over double.
Double the price.
Double the price.
Wow. And essentially, you got the red, white, and blue interior, the Evel Knievel look.
The custom paint.
The custom paint.
AM, FM, 8-track CB radio.
I saw that. That's kind of cool. But I got to tell you another 280 that always caught my eye. I know you don't see too many of them. This right here,
Yeah.
the anniversary edition,
80
right?
model anniversary.
10th. This is the 10th anniversary.
10th anniversary, 12,000 original miles, original paint, never been touched, original interior, weather strip, radio, tires.
And this is a ZX now, so we're into the ZX era, right?
Yeah.
I love the side-by-side 8-track with the radio. That's side-by-side, right? Yeah. Look at that. That is cool. The seats. This is the T-top. This is the Smokey and the Bandit of Datsuns.
It basically,
Right?
you can
Did I
see
just nail it?
No, you can see it. You can see it.
This is Burt Reynolds. If he was going to drive a Datsun, this is the Datsun he was driving.
You can damn well say that.
Hell yeah. These are original tires?
Those are original tires.
12,000 mile car. Wingfoots, Goodyear. Wow. 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 Cool. All right, so we came across the street. This is your work area. All right, we're going in?
Chaos.
All right, I'm going to follow you in.
Okay.
Oh, I like work areas, man. There's always cool stuff in work areas. Look at it. That's the,
That's a TBR Vixen.
yeah, look at that hood. Wow. That is cool. Look at all the seats. Here they are. You've cornered the market on seats.
Oh, they go with all the cars.
I bet. Oh, man. Oh, the smell in here, too, is fantastic. Look at this. Oh, my God. Yeah, man, work areas are cool. Showrooms are cool, but work areas may be even cooler. Wow. Projects in all phases, huh?
Yep.
Parts and goodies and wow. You have got everything ready to go here for restorations and a body shop, too. I hear the...
Metal work, body work.
I hear this. Oh, yes. Look at that. Restorations going on everywhere. Very cool, man.
This is a truly dirty area.
All right, we're back to shop number 1. Why we stopped here?
All right. Take a look at your used motor.
What? Is that my used motor? What? All righty. Get ready.
We had a little bit of moisture last
Go.
night.
Hey, it rained last night. Hey, okay. Well, there we go. It's an L28 engine right here. So this engine, this is an L28. Nice, okay. Got
No ridge.
no ridge on the cylinders. It's still got the, oh, you sent me some pictures too.
Yeah, it still
The
has the cross hatching.
cross hatching in there. So, and you said the oil was clean on this
Oil's
engine?
clean. No, I'm actually clear, clean. A little bit of dark, but no metal, no water, no nothing in it.
This should clean up a little bit like this, and we should be able to give a quick once over, but
Oh yeah.
get my head done and do a couple things.
Yeah,
Put this on.
oil
We should
pump,
be up.
timing chain, water pump, and just do a good overall inspection, like I know you guys can do. And these things are really bulletproof.
This looks
I
fantastic.
think it'll be good.
We're gonna put it in the back of the Raptor, take it back. I'm gonna get it to Ivan, get it on an engine stand, and
Clean the hell
get
out
to
of
work. Clean the hell out of it. I like that. You got it. That works.
it. It works. Much rather lift it do the lifting.
No, I don't want to lift that thing up, man. Me and you are not gonna lift that.
Anchor is right. It's heavy.
No, I bet. Woohoo! Look at that. Robert, I'm so thankful. You know, I talk about it on my channel all the time. We meet people at shows. You know, cars are cool and everything. But then you meet people and you get to know guys. And
Right.
I knew when I met you, you're a cool guy. And then
It's all
I knew
part
you'd be
of
a
it.
resource to reach out to. And for you to have an engine like this, one that's not a numbers.
Well, you
car
got lucky because
Right.
it wasn't numbers matching, and we're due 240s, so
That's-
an L28 doesn't do as much.
There you go. You saw what hat
So you're
I wore today?
welcome to
I even wore the Datsun hat, dude. I'm so thankful. Thank you very
No
much.
problem.
You're helping my car back out. We're gonna keep another L engine alive, despite people telling me change it, do it. I like this engine. I like the platform,
RB, LS, all that stuff. No, just keep it original.
old school and cool.
Old school.
Robert, 240Z Guild right here in
Medill.
Thank you for fixing me. Medill. No, Medill.
Medill.
I'm going to say it correctly. Medill, Oklahoma.
of Medill.
If you are looking for a beautiful Z properly restored, not the way I do things, but the way they should be done, this guy's got the stuff. You talk to him, he'll build you a car. He's got shells here already in process kind of being done. Looks like there's all kinds of variations he could do. Thumbs up, man. Thanks again.
Appreciate it.
Appreciate you.
Have fun.
Yep.